Here's the headlight that I haven't polished, sanded, and buffed yet. I don't know if you can, I'll have to see how the video comes out so you can see the heavy haze on it. And then here's the one I have done. Just got it finished. On this one, I went ahead and got some 400. I started out with 400 grit on my DA, or on my palm sander, and it made a whole lot quicker work of getting through that protective coating, and then dropped back to 400 to 800 from the 400, and that's where I'm at right now, is on the 800. Here's the finished product on this headlight. I think I got it a little bit better than the other one. There's still, I mean, I don't know that you could ever get these things perfect, but this one's pretty darn close. I'd say probably one off the showroom floor isn't a whole lot better than that. So using the orbital palm sander and starting with a little coarser, some 400, and then working the way up, I think. And then also I went all the way to 2000. I had some 2000. That was a step that the kit didn't come with. It had 1500 and then went to 3000. So I did a little extra step in there too, but it does look good. Also, this one had, the other one didn't, but this one had a little bit of fog on the inside, some moisture. So I just took my heat gun, I took a bulb out, took the heat gun, and drove that moisture out of there. Hopefully it'll last a little while. May throw a desiccant pack behind the cup and just see if that helps.